Namaste students, Vidya. I, JV and Dr. Chandrakala, Assistant Professor Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. In today's session, we are going to discuss about the ecological system. Ecosystems are constantly changing. Ecological succession is a gradual process of changing and replacement of the type of species in a community. Each new community makes it harder for the previous community to survive. The main types of ecological succession are the primary succession. And secondary succession. Primary succession it is the process of creating life in an area where no life existed earlier. An example of the area which a community has never lived before would be a new lava or a rock from a volcano that makes a new island. Being a place without any soil, like sites of the volcanoes or the slides or the landslides, flooding, or the starts with arrival of the living things such as the lichens that do not need any soil to survive, and they are called as pioneer species, which can survive without soil. When lichens die, they decompose, adding small amount of organic matter to the rock to make the soil. Simple plants like mosses and other ferns can grow on this new soil. So the simple plant dies, adding more organic matter. The soil layer thickens and the grass and other plants being to be taken over. Plant, these plant dies and they add more nutrient to the soil. The shrubs and the trees can grow now on the soil. The insects, small birds and mammalians that now begin to move in and that was the earlier only a bare rocks, now supported by variety of life. Secondary succession is the process of re-establishment of the follows and disturbance in an area where life has been formed in an ecosystem. So the secondary succession occurs on a surface where an ecosystem has previously existed. It is the process by which one community replaces another community which has been partially or totally destroyed. It might be by natural process such as flood, earthquake, etc. When an existing community has been cleared by any type of disturbance or like such as fire, or cyclone, etc., the soil remains intact and the area begins to return to its natural community. Because these habitat previously supported life and secondary succession begins. That is the cycles when it gets any small trees, the climates of the forest and disturbance. It again regain with shrubs, grasses, shrubs, small trees. So the cycle goes on. So the ecological succession occurs because of the process of life for plants and other living organisms. Because the organism alters the soil structure and the species community constantly change over a period of time. Succession will continue until the climate reaches its final stage, that is the climate community. The succession will continue until the environment reaches its final stage, that is the climate. The succession will continue until it reaches its final stage. Okay? So that is the climax community, and this type of community remains same throughout the time if not disturbed. A stable group of plants and animals, which is end results of succession process, does not mean only big trees. For example, cacti die in desert, grass in the field. Okay. The physical factors which determine the community is the temperature and the amount of rainfall. The grasses that moves as a pioneer and the weed and the subsequent shrubs and herbs, that is the all the undesirable bushes. With, without these intermediate stage of habitat harm return to the forestry. Clearance of the land for garden and preparing the soil for planting is the type of major external event that radically restructure and disturb the previous established ecosystem. Thank you. This session is powered by 2.0 Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. If you have any queries, please write down in the comment box. I will resolve it in the problem solving session.